Hey, what's up guys? This is Rainbow Boy 688 and today I am going to be playing it's kind of like a video game card game. It's called Exploding Kittens. It's really fun. I've played it once, so we're going to be starting like brand new. Let's go. Let's go guys. No, it's just llama is going to die today.
Llama, that's not even how you spell llama.
Ding dong.
Llama is Llama or something.
I know, you realize they can't hear you. 0 cards left. Alright guys, oh jeez, I need to turn down the volume guys. Alright, so whose turn is it? Llama's turn. There is actually a card, this game in card games, real card game.
Wait, how come they can't hear me then?
Because I'm wearing my headphones and it's really noisy out there.
Oh.
It's just better video quality. Please, yeah, forgive me. Shuffle, clean the litter box. Wow. You guys, I think you might still be able to hear the sound effects. I'm not sure. All right. Oh, guys, no! An exploding kitten has been defused. All right, let's put it on the top. Hide kitten.
What we do, you start at 7 and play till 11. We play pineapple. It's Texas Hold'em. You get 3 cards, and then after the flop, you have to throw one of them away. So it's straight high.
Ride your bunny raptor. All right, everyone, let's go ride our bunny raptors. Oh, slapped. He got slapped. Oh, shoot. Steal a card. Harry Potato Cat. Llama.
What does that even do?
A person has to give me a card of their choice. Clean the litter box again. Skip. Scurried from the premises. Yeah, guys, I wish you could hear Ultimate Overwatch Gamer, but if I took my headphones off, oh yeah, but bad things would happen. Like, you would not be able to hear me or him at all. There's like a huge ruckus coming. I can't even hear myself talk. Who's it to? Because I just want to love you for who you are. Oh, shoot. Okay. Llama. Deco Cat. I don't know if you guys can hear the awesome Mexican music playing, but that was really funny. I want to see in the future. Alright guys, hopefully you like this video. If you want me to keep playing this game, I will definitely do it. If you guys, so comment down below if you want me to, 1, keep playing this and make it into a series, or me just not record it anymore and I'll just play it on my own time, because I'm definitely going to keep playing this. That's not a good sign. Everything okay? Oh shoot. Llama. I'm gonna skip my turn because I don't want to drop. Because he obviously put it up top. Or actually no, I'll reverse backwards to be mean. Oh. he slapped me.
Well, I'm gonna do one real quick.
Heck, let's go backwards. Beep, beep. Alright guys, I actually think I might have to end this midway because... Yeah. I can't do it. I'm dead. I have exploded. Yeah. Well guys, let's just watch the game. Because we'll spectate. Well, that sucks. Alright. Oh. Bren is putting the exploding kitten back into there. The creepy thing is I can talk. I'm a dead person that can talk. I will come for you all. Wait, I can do that? LOL. Oh, there's so many more. Gosh, darn it. Hello, holy smokes, lol. So scared. Well played. Why me? Why me? Oh, suck on that. Kitten banjo. Everyone loves kitten banjos. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna have to end the video here. Now, make sure to comment down below if you want me, if you want me this to be a series or not. Now, peace out and goodbye.